to samaartmedia. I am Melsiha. Today's painting I am going to paint a girl is holding Bali Myna bird. Because of that I am using flat brush size 6 and first picking some pink, adding to the top of the canvas and blend the color. Next to the bottom of the canvas, I am using violet and blend it. Just to blend the colors together left to right and right to left for the background. Next step, making outline of the girl. I am using shorthand flat brush size 2 and picking some titanium white for the outline of the girl. After finishing the outline, we are going to make eyes, lips and nose for the girls. Because of that, I am choosing 000 brush to make it. And cerulean blue for the beautiful dress. For the hair, first step I am giving black acrylic color to the base of the hair. Next I am picking some brown and a little bit of titanium white, mix the color well and give the second base of like hair. Last step, highlight of the hair. I am using linear brush and 000 brush and picking little bit of titanium white to draw the hair for highlighting. The girl is holding the Bali Myna bird. Paint bird first. I am applying cerulean blue for the bird's eye. The titanium white to the body. I am using 000 brush to draw the bird's eyes and beak. The last step is making flowers. So because of that I am using the acrylic colors are brown, titanium white, brilliant yellow, green, pink and titanium white, and I am using the brush size 2 round brush. Now a girl is holding Bali Myna bird. The beautiful painting is ready. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations to achieve the picture what you want. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.